Hello, my name is Dmitry. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you our truly exciting and innovative new project, which is called the Bathtub car. Please give it a very enthusiastic and hearty warm welcome indeed. I'd like to introduce one of the main developers of this marvel, Ivan. Ivan, please tell us more about this truly remarkable technical wonder. What exactly is it meticulously crafted from? Well, is this incredible panda vehicle truly a creation salvaged and ingeniously assembled from the scrapyard? Yes, it absolutely is.
So the wheels themselves are actually from a pit bike. The steering knuckles are specifically from a go-kart. The brakes are powerful motorcycle brakes. The discs were precisely cut with a laser, and the braking performance here is truly excellent indeed. The drive is powered by an internal engine.
It's Chinese, 15 kilowatts. It's 5, but in the current mode it gives 10 kilowatts, as it's supplied with increased voltage.
But according to the current switches, it was something like 20. Yeah, that's right. For a millisecond or so, like in the starting mode. The battery is placed at the lowest possible point to keep the center of gravity as low as possible. Yes, it's 60 amp hours here. 84 volts, that's 20S1P lithium NMC batteries. In a titanium case, yes. Because it's the lowest point, it's even lower than the frame, so it can't be punctured. Even though these are lithium NMC batteries, which aren't exactly fire prone, still, they can be.
Lithium iron phosphate 4.
They shouldn't be.
They absolutely shouldn't be. So also here, it's very important to please take careful note. There is indeed a gearbox present, and its typical ratio is usually 1:2, right? Or perhaps even 1:3, depending on the specific application. Yes, 1:3. From this particular machine gearbox, which operates with extremely minimal backlash. Well, basically, painting putty, and that's precisely how this beautiful creation turned out. Because there's absolutely no suspension, your backside really takes quite a beating, but at least the steering mechanism is pretty good. Also, what exactly do we have here in terms of the electrical equipment? We have a voltage gauge, so we can tell when it's charged and when it's discharged. Here it is, actually. Then there's a GPS speedometer, which is very convenient. A forward and reverse switch. A power switch with a contactor installed there. And a pair of switches for turning it on and off. Well, now we can actually now demonstrate its full capabilities. Oh, and I wanted to mention right away, for your information, that the impressive top speed of this vehicle is a remarkable 60 kilometers per hour. I have personally and quite carefully accelerated it to that maximum velocity, but honestly it's a genuinely thrilling yet somewhat frightening experience to ride at such an exhilarating speed. Now I'll drive over there and do a spin right here in this spot, starting from a run-up. Agreed. So yeah, something along those lines, definitely, precisely. That's what it actually does. Here's another car made by our corporation. Well, actually, it's a deep customization. A truly deep and extensive customization of a children's slide-by car, as it was originally known as the Kibitka Polyrist 170. It used to have an engine from some scooter with 170 cubic centimeters, and it barely moved at all. This particular vehicle was actually my daughter's car, and she genuinely didn't even like it at all. They specifically said it was simply way too slow for her. So what did we do? we have installed a rather substantial 10 kilowatt motor. Consequently, someone might perhaps look down on them for that very reason. The batteries are here. I just don't remember. 20 volts, 20 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah, I think so. No, what do you mean 20? It's way more volts than that. Well, anyway, I don't remember how many 18650s there are. Right here are the batteries with liquid self-cooling. All these motors also have liquid self-cooling. Here it has alcohol circulating. So, just like that. Unfortunately, only behind the hydrant. Well, the car is really sharp. We're about to aim it now.
As for the range, we drove 100 kilometers and there was still some left.
There you go. All right, I am starting right now, basically. Let's really go. Let's truly go. Well, it is quite clearly on the line, most definitely, and absolutely, most certainly. I truly hope you thoroughly enjoyed this captivating story about our electric cars. We definitely plan to put proper, robust ITP mud tires on the vibrant red side-by-side vehicle. And in the near future, you will certainly see us riding and exploring off-road terrains. We also have exciting plans for several new electric car projects, and we'll be meticulously filming the entire process from the very beginning, from scratch. Subscribe to the channel and give us a like. All the best.